Right, we're gonna do this. Sorry. Happy Friday Eve. I know somebody will probably want to buy those. That'll go light. We'll do the one with the wood.
This one?
The wood. That one. Yeah. That one's got no fabric, so. Is this aluminum?
No, that's metal.
That's metal? Okay.
I think so, yeah.
I don't have my normal magnet on me. I drove the truck today.
Oh, I love your belt.
You like that?
That's Duck Dynasty.
Duck Dynasty. Use no?
It's aluminum?
Aluminiums.
Oh, good.
High chair, huh? A high chair. 66. Ponte. $12 right there. 12 bucks right there.
Not bad. What's on the floor?
Down there. If you want to make $100, you got to scrap copper.
I know, it's just that I'm not accurate. Like
We're I think we're at like 310 or 315.
Oh, it's 348 down there.
348?
Yeah.
For number 2 or number 1?
Number 2.
Really? So they pay higher on copper, but they pay junk on the breakage and stuff.
It's very cheap on breakage.
Yeah.
This is me up because if I take, for example, one compressor, they give me 12 cents, for example, and then if I take 5 or 10, they want to give me 18 and 19 cents. I said, man, I'm constant every day.
That chair? Then this is clean, that's clean. We'll put all that over there.
What do you want this over there?
Yeah. Well, hey, you're almost to what you made earlier.
Really?
Yeah.
9.5 to get a battery, and that's when you move it.
Yeah, I usually go and sit in the corner. I have a few. It gets too big, I need to sell because I don't have.
See. Maybe not the one with the hinge. I gotta check this. Sometimes there's a steel rod.
Okay.
Sometimes. Nope. Okay. That's it?
No. Now.
Talk to Manny.
All right, Johnny.
We have 52.
Plus 26. Here, I got the smoke.
78, right?
Yeah.
Alright, gotta find some place to put these real quick. Right there, looks like a good place. I'm trying to make room this morning. because I gotta save 4 pallets of batteries.
It melted.
It's no good?
Yeah. Is it hot? Caught on fire.
It
still works, but it caught on fire.
Nice. Caught on fire, but it still works. I'm gonna put this, my wire stripper, because we don't use it too often, way in the back there. I got a little bit of cleanup to do, pick up some Bear Bright, and then I gotta make 4 boxes. Put this right here somewhere. Then I can go, I'll probably just do 1, 2, 3, 4 right here and leave that open for more batteries. Then I'm gonna put those up there and then we'll be done and deal with the customers. Hey Arthur, we're doing. What's that? Yeah, I'm gonna save those. I'm gonna save those. I know people who will probably buy those. Yeah, and the chainsaw. Right-handed too. No, that's some weird brand. This one's probably an Echo.
Oh, okay.
That one, I don't know. All right. Yeah, and let me know what the number is. $11? Dirty brass, dirty brass, dirty brass.
Oh, okay.
11, let's see. Sealed units, 11. You done for today, Arthur?
What?
You guys done?
Yeah.
Go home before it gets hot?
No, we gotta pick up the AC unit.
Oh, nice.
The weather's coming.
Is it?
I think so.
So what are we doing?
Daddy?
Are you saving the 2 bikes?
That one I'm getting, that one I'm not.
That's a nice one.
This one?
No, that, yeah.
Ready?
All right, hold on.
You doing that at light or heavy?
Heavy. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot that was heavy.
The fabric.
I forgot it.
Just like when I forget your Christmas lights. Huh? No, you distract me. Throw it in. Quarter battery?
That's like a full battery.
Okay. Look. That's half of a half.
No.
That's half of a half.
Come on, man.
That's half of a half.
Wider.
That's taller. What's the weight? What's the weight though? Yep. Not that. I don't want this. I don't want it. This is dirty.
Screwed in?
Well, you got 8 on that. Eight and 4.
You really only have 4 baseball bets so far?
Yep. Yeah, it's not something that comes in all the time. They're not common.
Why did the cowboy get a new horse?
Because he broke the other one's back.
His old one was too much of a naysayer.
Hold on. What generation does Forrest Gump belong to?
Generation X, right?
Gen A.
Gen A. I like that one.
That's from my girlfriend.
Why did the soldier wear a t-shirt to battle? It was a casualty of war.
Oh, God. That's stupid. What kind of fish can perform surgery? A sturgeon.
A sturgeon.
A sturgeon, yeah.
Why did the cop interrogate the orange?
Because it's about to peel out?
No, he wanted to squeeze him for
Oh,
information.
that was close. What kind of sea creature hates all the others?
Hates?
Yes. A hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Not. Yeah, my ex-girlfriend's son, he worked for Limited, and they're only paying 80 bucks a day. Yeah. Yep. So I told him to get an application because we're going to have a opening. Yeah. 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 He's 19, you know. You just have to let Jim know, you know. Yeah, well, hopefully it works out. Yeah, not really today. It varies, you know, every day. Yeah. All right, well, you enjoy your time in Maine. Yep. I will. All right, thank you. All right, have a good time. Bye. That was my uncle. He's up in Maine right now. Oh, he barely got that one. Trying to take the tire off axle. There it goes. Cut that axle right in half. Blink, blink. You got a nice pile of steel there. Well, another load complete. Hopefully it goes out tomorrow because I need bins. She's slapped full. I think there's 25 items on here. Feels good to complete another load. What are you doing? Go on. You see yourself? You see yourself, Delilah? Huh? What is that? Look at that drool. There you go. Now don't lay any bombs, okay? See what he's got. Woo! Ooh, look at that nice chunk of aluminum. Nice chunk. Good, she's gonna go out there and lay a bomb. Is that clean? Clean? That one. Got more? That's a big radiator.
Come out of the truck.
Yep.
aluminum pipe like this, no?
I don't like to, but we can.
And take it like this?
Yeah.
And we put them.
What are you doing? Oh, I just a girl city. Oh, just such a good girl. Oh, yeah. Look at that face. Look at that face.
Over here.
Yep. There you go, girl. What? I wish you would shake. I wish you would shake my hand. Is that it? Down there, yeah.
It was a big company. I went in money, a truck company.
Yeah.
And they give me all these information. I went in there to bring them all the way over here because it was in Top Island.
In Tampa?
Top Island.
Where's that?
By TMR.
Okay.
And it was too heavy.
That one goes in that one.
Huh?
In the box. I'm gonna have to find a bin for all these ACs. Because my blue barrel's full.
Do it like that.
And I got one more box to weigh up out of the 4. She had $61. We got back here. These were, that's that hopper that was unloaded yesterday. Here's our mini shear. There's my original crane that I ran. I think I put like 7,000 hours in this thing when we had a shredder back over there. Then back here is another shear. I'm pretty sure it starts, but they just don't use it no more. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for an adventure. Whoa. Yeah, this is the old iron axe. She's about the same size as our Komatsu. Is there a key? Key's up. It turns over. She still turns over. Amazing. It's been sitting here for like a year now. And look at all the steel. Just steel, 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 steel. Ugh. It takes. I think I'm going to see if the shear will shear this. This is taking way too long. That's not even melting. Go to the shear. Right, this is taken. That took so long. I'm gonna grab it and go out to the shear and see if it'll do it. Let's see if it'll cut it. Go on a little adventure. Let's see. Let's see if the Komatsu can do it. Move over now. Running? Okay. You see if you could chop that. It's taking forever to try and melt through that. That's probably like 2 hours right there. Miguel trying to melt through with a torch. It's aluminum. I'm pretty sure it huh?
How small do you need it?
Just in quarters, just to fit in the bin. I just want to see you do it. Thank you, sir. Look at that. in the throat. That's crazy. Yes! I am so glad that that thing cut that, because holy cow, it's going to save so much time. Want to get my chain, Phil? You think that's going to hold it? Yep. Yeah. That guy. Well. The AC compressor can go right down here. That's a flat tire. What's that? Get these. Like you're playing horseshoes. Ringer. Ringer. You ever played horseshoes? Ringer. Hey. Make sure he charges the back one. Yeah, the back one. I learned that yesterday. The alternator on the machine is not charging, so we have to charge the batteries before we use it. And I just haven't had time to swap them out. Want to do light irony? Yeah. They'll go in there. Yep. Same thing with this guy. That guy. Goes in, yeah. I've tried to do those as unclean brass before, and they knocked my bin down for my brass bin, yeah. So, yeah, wait. That's aluminum.
It's aluminum.
Yeah,
It's a
sometimes they're brass.
computer.
Oh, okay. Segway. You don't want to cut that off? You can be like Nacho. There you go. You're not doing this today?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Are you gonna bring those to discount?
No.
Okay. So 2 batteries altogether? Can hear that all the way over here. Oh, I hate that sound. Clean? I wonder how they got the sleeve out of that head. That little small head there here, because the sleeve is steel.
Yeah.
So I wonder how they got that out.
I don't know.
Yep. Yes. Dirty brass. Those are aluminum, right?
Mm-hmm.
Those are from those paintballs
Yep.
last week.
Yep.
That's dirty brass. I just want your dirty brass right now. That's clean brass.
Dirty.
Yep. Ah, that natural AC.
Yeah, it feels good.
What are you looking for? Five. 6. Yellow brass. 1 pound. I'll catch it. Mr. Miyagi. $136. That's a nice chunk, Al. Nice chunk of extrusion there. Yep. Did you get your flywheel on? Huh? Like working on the dually? Why the dually? Ah, the air conditioning. You don't need air conditioning. I know. I'm just joshing. Yeah. I haven't had AC in my. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. I haven't had AC in my car in over a year.
Really?
Yeah, it's just not.
For a year?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not confused.
Yeah. You're spoiled now. You're spoiled. Brass. Yep. Yep. Do that one first in there. Down there. We'll just do all these ones. These two. All right, and then that's the clean radiators. Are they clean or dirty? We'll throw that, hey, throw that over here. Yeah. That's all right. That's all right. 30, 30. What is this?
I don't know if this is
Steel.
yeah, but it's heavy. But all these, they're like
What kind?
Swedish short. Oh, we're jangling there.
Yingling.
Jangling.
Yingling. With a
Jangling?
no, not your dingling. Yingling with a Y. Yingling. Yingling.
Wait. Put it under there so you can hold it. I got this side.
Motor in the box.
Motor?
The motor. You're gonna need his help. You're gonna need his help. All those hoods and stuff were worth $63. But they're at 104. Let's see if the two of them can get that motor in there.
Too heavy. Do you get any good batteries?
No.
Huh?
There, you grab that side. Ready? 1, 2. I wouldn't trust those.
I said it a battery. And what's the deal with this, Jeff?
Out back. You gotta unbolt it. That was 123 pounds.